So today I have two different recipes for you. They're easy, healthy quarantine meals. So the first one is banana peanut butter bites, and then we have yogurt bites. So for our first recipe, we're going to make peanut butter banana bites. Okay, so here are our first recipe's ingredients. We've got some bananas, chocolate chips, peanut butter, coconut oil, and the optional ones are the graham crackers here and our coconut flakes. You want to wrap a baking sheet in aluminum foil or parchment paper on top so that when we put them in the freezer they won't stick to your baking sheet. After peeling, you'll want to cut your bananas into slices like these here and do the same one with your next banana. Now that we have both bananas sliced, we're going to take our peanut butter and we're going to use a butter knife to put some peanut butter in between two slices. So now that we have peanut butter on this one, we're going to just put this right on top of it and make it into a little bite. Finish making all of the peanut butter banana sandwiches and then transfer them onto your baking sheet. We want them to sit in there long enough for them to harden so we can dip them in our melted chocolate. We're going to melt chocolate chips with our coconut oil so that we can dip them in there. We're going to dip them in our melted chocolate. Did I already say? Once you put chocolate on your bananas, you can put a little bit of coconut or whatever other toppings you want while the chocolate is drying. Once you've finished putting chocolate and toppings on each of your bananas, put them back in the freezer for about 15 minutes and then enjoy. Our next recipe is going to be these yogurt bites. For our next recipe, you'll need vanilla Greek yogurt or whatever flavor you like, oatmeal, some honey, and then any type of fruit or graham crackers or maybe nuts you want to top your yogurt bites. You'll want to pour about 2 cups of your oatmeal into your bowl, and then you're going to put about 1.5 tablespoons of honey into the bowl so you have a thick crust texture. Once all of your honey is in, mix it until it's a sandy, wet texture. You may need to add more. With your cupcake sheet, you'll want to line each cupcake with a cupcake holder. You'll want to scoop in about 2 spoonfuls of your honey oatmeal mixture, and you'll want to press them down so that it's packed in tightly. Once you finish spooning your honey and oatmeal mixture into your cupcake liners, you'll want to spoon in your Greek yogurt. You can use whatever kind of toppings you like. I used chocolate chips, graham cracker crumbs, strawberries, and grapes. Once all your toppings are on, put them in the freezer for about 3 hours and then enjoy them in the morning.